Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about prime factors. You all know prime numbers, right? Which are they? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, these all are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are only divisible by that number. So, what are prime factors? For example, look here. What is this number? 16. 16 can be written as the product of some prime numbers. How can we write 16? Look at here. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2's make 16, right? So here we wrote 16 as product of 2, that is product of prime numbers. Likewise, how will you write 48? So how we write 48? Do LCM like this. 48 is divisible by 2. Then 24. 24 also divisible by 2. Then 12, 2, 6, 3, 3, 1. So how can we write 48? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these all numbers are prime. So 48 can be written as the product of prime number. So these prime numbers are called prime factors. So how many factors does 48 have? Okay, 2 and 3 are the factors of 48. Except 2 and 3, how many factors did 48 have? Let's find a method to find the total number of factors of number 48 and any other number. So for 16, how many factors did 16 have? 2. 2 is a factor. 2 into 2. 4. 4 is a factor. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 8 is a factor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16. 16 is a factor. And 1 also a factor. So 16 have 5 factors. Likewise, it's quite difficult to find. Good morning students. In previous video, we learned how we find the number of factors of huge numbers or any numbers. Here we got a simple method to find the number of factors. Here, now we want to find which are the factors of a number. For big numbers and also for small numbers, you want to find the factors, not the numbers only, the factors also. So for small numbers, it's easy. By writing the multiplication table, we can find the number of factors, the factors. But for large numbers, what we do? So for large numbers, there is a technique to find the which are the factors. So it is done by constructing factor table. Have you heard the name before factor table? Look at the board. This is the factor table. So first prime factorize the given number. And look how many factors do the number have. If the number have only 2 factors, if it is 2 and 3. On the upper part, write how many 2's are there. Start from 0 to 0 2's. If the number has 2 2's, write 0 2's, 1 2's and 3 2's. Write the heading of the column as 1 2, 0 2's, 1 2's, 2 2's. Okay. And in the left side, write the heading of row names as, if the factor has 2 3's, write the row heading as 0 3, 1 3 and 2 3. And find how many 2's and 3's will be in this number. By this we can find the not only the number but also the factors of any number. So let's look this method. Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the prime factorization, right? So in this class we are going to study how to find the number of factors. Okay. How we find the number of factors of 6? Usual method we find what is 6? 6 equal 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So 6 have 4 factors, right? So how many factors do 16 have? 16 equals 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. So how many factors? 1, 16, 2, 8 and 4. 5 factors, right? So in this way we can find the number of factors. But how we find the number of factors of 48? It's quite difficult, right? So for huge numbers, by writing the multiplication table and finding the number of factors is quite difficult. So there is another method to find the total number of factors. Let's find the method. So how we write 16 by prime factorization? 16 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2's, right? So how many 2's are